Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in this particular video I am going to discuss one very interesting problem, that is sum of digits. Okay, so what the problem says, given an integer n, the task is to find sum of all the digits of n. Okay, like for example I am giving you the number 123, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 how much? 6. So you should give output as 6. Suppose I am giving you number 45. What is the digit sum? 4 plus 5, that is 9. So you should return me 9. Okay. So like that you have to do. Input is the first line of input contains an integer t, total number of test cases. Then following t lines contains integer n, for which we have to calculate the digit sum. Output, how you should return? For each test case in a new line, print the sum of the digits. Okay. So suppose our input is, suppose two test cases we have to give output. Suppose first one input is 123, output should be 6. For 45 output should be 9, because 4 plus 5 is 9, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Okay, now how we can do that? See, in my previous video I have told you that we can use list method to convert a string to a list, right? That we can use here, because here we have to add 1, 2 and 3. So first problem which you have to solve is extract individual digits. Okay, so what we can do, we can convert this particular integer to a string, and using that string we can form a list. So what will be happening, as soon as we will use list, we will apply list method on the string, where the string is basically the integer, where the string is basically formed by this integer. As soon as we will apply list method, the list will be having all the digits of the particular integer as string element, and then we can iterate in the list. We can add each element one by one. Before adding, we have to convert that element to integer. That's only we have to do. So simple code is, suppose t equal to int input, t equal to int input, I am taking total number of test cases, that many times I have to run. So I am using here one while loop. Okay, while I less than t, I equal to I plus 1. Okay, now each time I have to take input from the user, and then I have to convert that to string. So string A, then we will be forming one list using the string, then we will traverse in the list. So for I, suppose ij, let me give the name, because I we cannot give here, because here we are using I. So for ij in E, suppose we will store our output in output variable. So output will act like accumulator. So output equal to output plus ij, but ij is string, right? Because the list is made up of string element. So what we will do, before adding we will be converting to integer. That's all. But output we have not defined, so we have to define here output equal to 0, right? And then at the end we will print output. Okay, let us check. So let me just compile and test and check some error we are getting or not. See, 123 6, 45 9 we are getting. Let me submit and check whether it is passing all the test cases or not. See, correct answer, execution time 0.02. So this particular code can be applied if any particular at any situation you need to calculate the digit sum of a particular integer. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. This is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.